As it has rightly been said, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and the initial steps of our little ones to school.
We welcome you to St.Xaviers School, the abode of wisdom and learning. This is an institution that has stood for over 5 decades as a testimony for quality education. Our school is dedicated to foster discipline among the students in a refined manner, guiding them always towards personal and academic excellence. Monsignor Reverend Father Xavier Kudatala, our founding father whose vision, foresight and zeal were that this institution should shape and mold future citizens. The school is located near the Kurnool Road Junction, Ongole. The serene environment, the aesthetic infrastructure is impeccable and induces the best out of every student. St.Xaviers has it all. The classrooms are spacious and well lit, providing comfort and security for the students. Smart classrooms and digital boards transforming traditional learning into dynamic and engaging experience. The computer lab is equipped with 20 computers which aid the students to acquire technical knowledge. The school provides tools and resources that the students require. The science lab and the computer labs are the state of art to help the students excel in academics. Libraries are a vital part of education. They open the doors beyond academics. Our library is stocked with more than 2,000 books, journals, and other reading materials. In terms of transportation, the school provides bus conveyance. Our playground, where fun meets learning, is the epitome of recreational excellence. We believe that play is an integral part of education. Here our students not only excel academically, but also thrive in an environment that nurtures their physical and social development, where every game played is a lesson learned and every smile shared is a memory cherished. We offer some extracurricular activities tailored to suit different interests, passions, and talents of our students. We offer martial arts for physical fitness and self-defense, classical dance to promote cultural heritage and tradition. The indoor games help our students to reduce stress and boredom and also develop cognitive skills. With dedicated educators, state-of-the-art facilities, and rich array of extracurricular activities, we are committed to empower our students to reach their full potential. Mathematics is not just a subject, but an adventure. And our math lab is an opportunity for our students to develop critical thinking, creativity, and explore mathematical stimulation. We have teachers who are qualified and devoted to their profession. Every teacher has commitment to excellence, known for their knowledge, patience, skill, and creativity, who can really mold and inspire students. We have a dynamic, innovative, knowledgeable, visionary principal, a perfect administrator to run the school. We have a ramp as an access for the disabled and students with health conditions as impairments to move with ease. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards a brighter and smarter future for you children.